Okay, so people always ask me how to solve their Rubik's Cube, and there's just so many ways, so I'm just kind of going to go over the terminology of how to fix the cube. First of all, I'm going to start with the red color. You got to get the middle pieces first, and make sure when you do that, you match up the side walls. Let me show you real quick here. So here it is, and you want to match the red and the white, and the green with the white, and also the red and the yellow here. So the next step is to put in all the corner pieces. So now you have all the corners pieces in. In addition, all the side walls are matching with the colors up here. So it's almost like building a home. So you got your, pretty much, if you look at the cube, this right here is your first level of the house. The next level is to build a second floor. So you wanted to match these two center pieces on all these corners. So now you almost have the second level done. So if you look at the cube, now you pretty much have 2 levels complete. Now the tough part is to work on the upstairs. And we already have the plus sign there. So now all I need to do is just working on the corner pieces. And let me see here. So I'm going to start off. So once I get that, now as you can see, these little pieces don't line up. So I'm just going to rotate them around to get them to line up in the middle there. Got to do one more time. So now I got one guy, but that one, and that one is not aligned. So there you have it. The cube is completely solved. This process usually takes about 30 seconds to a minute and 15 seconds. And there you have it.